大家好，準備好了嗎？我們開始。Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson. Today we start with something very important in Mandarin, the initials. These are the sounds at the beginning of every syllable. If your initials are not correct, your whole pronunciation becomes unclear. So this is the first step, and it's a step you cannot skip. Today we learn the easy initials, and these sounds will help you speak Mandarin with a clean and strong start. Let's begin our lesson today. What are initials? In Mandarin, every syllable has two parts. The initial, the first sound, and the final, the rest of the sound. For example, ma. The initial here is M in English. Initials always come at the beginning, not at the middle, not at the end, only at the start of the syllable. Today's initials are simple, but very important. Let's know them now. Bo, bo, po, po, mo, mo, fo, fo, de, de, te, te, ne, ne, le, le, ge, ge, ke, ke, he, he,